Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. We are now going to review the account of Ivan. Ivan joined our funded trade program last November on the 24th and hit his first 10% target on the 21st of December, so less than 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. But let's have a look at the equity line. In fact, from here we can see how it was kind of flat in the beginning until the 17th of December. It was up on his account, but at maximum we can see almost 4% up. Then something happened in the second half of December. In fact, we can see how from the 17th of December it just went one way up towards his first 10% target that he hit just a few days after on the 21st of December. So very well done, Ivan. Congratulations on your first target. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.40%, which is really good. Monthly, 14.45% on average, of course, because he's still trading with us, and a drawdown level of only 2.57%, which is good. And also it's good to mention that this drawdown is floating because it's from profits, since Ivan never went in negative territory on his account. Now, let's have a look at the advanced statistics. 260 trades open with a profitability rate of 40%. Let's have a look at average win and loss. And yes, we can see an average win of 21 pips and an average loss of only 9 pips, so not even 10 pips. So this tells us that Ivan really cuts his losing position really short. Okay, very good. Let's have a look at the summary as well. And we can see 178 position opened on the pound dollar. He gained 723 pips, resulting in a profit of $2,468. So very well done. This is the pair he traded the most. We can see also a few other winning and losing position. For example, we can mention here 22 position opened on the euro dollar. He gained 145 pips, resulting in a profit of $324 for him. Let's have a look also at the negative side. And yeah, we can see here 18 position opened on the New Zealand dollar. He lost $128. And here 15 position on the Aussie US. He lost $95. And we also have a few other more, but really small compared to the other position that he opened, especially with regards to the pound dollars. Okay, let's have a look at the history of his account as well to see how he managed to divide the lot size available for him. And yeah, on the 24th of November is when he first joined our program, and see, yeah, we can see 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.10. So it changed them a bit depending on the single trades he was opening with us. Yes, let's go back to the first page. No, maybe it's the second one when he hit his target. And yes, on the 22nd of December he hit his first 10% target. Of course, he's now trading at the moment, is managing the $30,000 account. Okay. We didn't mention best and worst trade. So let's have a look at the best trade in terms of dollars and pips. Was bought on the 21st of December. It gained 208 pips and $1,042 in this trade. Very good, very well done. Worst trade on the 23rd of December, he lost $123. And in terms of pips, on the 11th of December, he lost 36 pips. So even if it's his worst trade, it's still not too big as numbers in terms of pips, but this is because we can see here, we saw that as his average loss is less than 10 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the duration. So on average, he held positions for 2 hours and 9 minutes, and from the scatter plot, yes, we can see how the vast majority was below 4 hours. Then we have quite another good number of trades held for between 4 and 13 hours, and then only three winning positions were held for longer, no more than 18 hours. So it never held longer than 1 day altogether. And those three were winning positions. Okay, Ivan, very well done, very good. And we look forward to do the second review of your account.